here at the San Juan Arena. You're still with me, Arena. At kasama ko po ngayon ang ating Shakey's best player na walang iba kundi si Luan Latigay. Luan, despite na slow start kayo, paano nyo napanalo ang larong ito in 3 straight sets?
Communication sa loob, usap-usap, tapos teamwork para gumana lahat. Para yung mga pangit naming ginawa, mabago agad.
You're now moving into the semifinals. Ano-ano yung mga expectations nyo at ano-ano ang mga magiging preparations nyo?
Syempre, ina-expect talaga na namin na malalakas talaga yung kalaban namin, tsaka lalaban talaga. So, talagang paghahandaan na lang namin sa mag-training kami, so go hard talaga.
Alright, so let me call on our Shakey's representative to hand you your gift prize. Luan, nakapag-ready ka ba ng mga gusto mong batian at pasalamatan?
Binabati ko yung family ko sa Lucena, tsaka sa papa ko, belated happy birthday. Tsaka yung sa mga taga-Napocor, si Ate Ryan, si Jen, yun lang.
Alright, thank you so much, Luan, and congratulations to the Ladies Tags. Now, back to Noel and Mosey.
Alright, thank you very much. At yan po mga kaibigan, straight sets victory for San Sebastian. They move into the semifinals and now create a three-way tie for second place. On behalf of my partner, Mosey Ravena, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam!